We'll reveal the 4 worst meats you should never touch ranked from bad to worst, and then the 4 you must eat daily from good to game-changing. Every year, millions of seniors lose strength, not because of age itself, but because of one mistake at the dinner table. After 60, your body changes in ways no one warned you about. Your muscles start to weaken faster, your digestion slows down, and even your heart has to work harder to keep up. Fatigue sets in, and simple tasks like walking upstairs or carrying groceries become a challenge. But here's the myth we've all been fed, that meat is just protein, and as long as you're eating some, you're fine. The lie is that all meats are created equal. For decades, we've been told to load up on convenient, affordable meats without considering how they're processed or raised. The hidden truth? Some meats are silently accelerating inflammation, clogging arteries, and robbing you of your vitality, while others can rebuild your strength, support your brain, and help you stay independent longer. New research from institutions like Harvard and the World Health Organization shows that certain meats increase the risk of heart disease, cancer, and cognitive decline by up to 20% in older adults, but the right ones can reduce those risks and even improve joint health. Forget the fake solutions like expensive pills that promise energy, creams for aching joints, or fad diets that leave you hungry and weak. Those don't address the root cause. The real fix lies in your food choices, specific nutrients, and high-quality meats that your body craves after 60 to maintain muscle mass, boost energy, and protect against age-related decline. I'm excited to share a new discovery from recent studies on longevity diets like those inspired by Blue Zones where people live past 100 with vitality. Science now proves that swapping out harmful meats for nutrient-dense ones can reset your metabolism and add years of healthy living. But first, a quick question before we dive deeper. Have you ever been told to avoid cheese, yes or no? Type yes or no in the comments. I'm curious how many of you got that advice. Worst meat hash 1- hot dogs. Let's start with a suspenseful thought. Imagine a food you've enjoyed at barbecues for years, but it's quietly loading your body with chemicals that could shorten your lifespan. That's hot dogs. The first on our list of worst meats for anyone over 60. For seniors, hot dogs are particularly dangerous because they are highly processed, packed with sodium and preservatives that strain your kidneys and raise blood pressure, common issues as we age. If you're dealing with fatigue or swelling in your legs, this could be contributing. The myth? Hot dogs are a quick, harmless protein source. They're often made from scraps and fillers, not quality meat. Science from the American Cancer Society links nitrites in hot dogs to an 18% higher risk of colorectal cancer, especially in older adults whose immune systems are less robust. Think of it like putting cheap gas in a vintage car. It might run, but it'll break down faster. To avoid this, check labels and skip anything with nitrates or high sodium. Opt for fresh alternatives, we'll discuss later. Avoiding hot dogs ties directly to your independence. Lower cancer risk means more energy for hobbies and family time. Would you try ditching hot dogs tomorrow, yes or no? Do you think doctors got this wrong or do you agree with them? If you eat this already, share how you use it. Your recipe might inspire someone. And if this is resonating, hit that like button. It helps spread these tips to more seniors who need them. The next meat is even sneakier, hiding in your breakfast routine. Worst meat hash 2- bacon. Picture this, that crispy strip on your plate seems innocent, but it's a ticking time bomb for your heart after 60. Bacon is our second worst meat, and it's time to see why. Senior relevance is huge here. Many of us take meds for cholesterol or blood pressure, and bacon's high saturated fat and sodium can interfere, worsening heart strain and digestion issues like constipation. Bacon is a treat that's okay in moderation. Wrong. Studies in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology show processed bacon increases heart disease risk by 23% in older populations due to its curing process. It's like salting a wound. The sodium inflames your arteries over time. Choose uncured versions if you must, but better to replace with healthier fats. This choice preserves independence by protecting your cardiovascular system so you can keep active without shortness of breath. Do you think doctors got this wrong or do you agree with them? If you eat bacon, share your favorite way. Your tip might help someone avoid it. Subscribe if you haven't. Without it, you'll miss the next Mythbuster on everyday foods. Next up, a lunch staple that's just as bad. Worst meat hash 3, deli ham and sliced meats. What if your go-to sandwich filler was eroding your bone health without you knowing? Deli ham and other sliced meats are third on the list, a hidden threat in many senior diets. After 60, we need to watch sodium for bone density and kidney function, and these meats are sodium bombs that can lead to osteoporosis and fatigue. Deli meats are convenient and low-cal. Bust it, they're processed with additives that the WHO classifies as carcinogenic. A meta-analysis in The Lancet found a 15% increased risk of stomach cancer from regular consumption. Like a slow leak in a tire, it deflates your energy gradually. Tips: make your own roasted turkey slices at home. This keeps you independent by supporting strong bones for mobility. Would you try homemade alternatives tomorrow? Yes or no? Do you think doctors got this wrong, or do you agree with them? If you use deli meats, share your sandwich ideas might inspire a healthier version. Like this video to help it reach friends who could benefit. The fourth worst is something many consider healthy: protein. Worst meat: hash 4 grain-fed beef. This meat is marketed as hearty and American, but in its common form, it's fueling inflammation that steals your golden years. Grain-fed beef is the worst of the worst for seniors. Over 60, inflammation from poor omega balance can exacerbate arthritis and cognitive fog, making daily life harder. All beef is good protein. Not true. Grain-fed has high omega-6 fats. Research from Nutrition Journal shows it promotes chronic inflammation, raising heart attack risk by 20%. It's like feeding a fire with the wrong fuel. It burns too hot. Tips: avoid unless grass-fed, choose lean cuts sparingly. This ties to independence by reducing joint pain for better movement. Would you check labels for grass-fed tomorrow? Yes or no? Do you think doctors got this wrong, or do you agree with them? If you eat beef, share how your method could spark ideas. Subscribe for more evidence-based tips like this. Now, shifting to the good news, the first must-eat meat that can reverse some damage. Must-eat meat: hash 1 grass-fed beef. Now for the turnaround. Imagine a food that rebuilds what the bad ones broke. Grass-fed beef is the first must-eat daily for over 60. High-quality protein combats sarcopenia, muscle loss, and its nutrients support energy despite meds or slower digestion. Red meat is always bad. No grass-fed is anti-inflammatory. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show it improves heart health with better fat ratios. Like premium oil for an engine, it keeps you running smooth. Tips: eat 4 to 6 ounces daily, grilled or stewed. This fosters independence through stronger muscles for daily tasks. Must-eat meat: hash 2 wild-caught salmon. What if one meat could sharpen your memory and ease joint pain? Wild-caught salmon is second, a powerhouse for seniors. After 60, omega-3s are vital for brain fog and heart rhythm, especially with age-related dryness or fatigue. All fish are equal. Thus, farmed lacks omegas. Harvard research links salmon's DHA to 47% lower dementia risk. It's brain fuel, like charging a battery. Tips: bake or poach 4 times weekly. Ties to independence. Better cognition means confident driving and socializing. Subscribe to stay ahead on health hacks. Next, a lean option for easy digestion. Must-eat meat: hash 3 mist organic chicken. This everyday bird done right can be your muscle guardian. Organic chicken is third must-eat. Lean protein without hormones aids digestion and weight management, countering age-related slowdowns. Chicken is boring and dry. Wrong. Organic is nutrient-rich. A study in poultry science shows it supports immune function better. Solid foundation, like bricks for a house. Tips: roast with herbs 4 to 5 ounces daily. Independence link, maintain strength for household chores. Would you go organic tomorrow? Yes or no? Do you think doctors got this wrong, or do you agree with them? Share your chicken dish. Community loves ideas. Like to support senior health content. Final must-eat: the nutrient bomb. Must-eat meat: SV4 Menkel liver organ meat. Overlooked but mighty, this meat packs more vitamins than supplements. Liver is the top must-eat for longevity. B vitamins fight fatigue and anemia, common post-60, boosting energy without pills. Organ meats are gross or unhealthy. They're superfoods. Berg-inspired research highlights liver's iron and CoQ10 for heart and vitality. Nature's multivitamin in food form. Tips: saute with onions 2 to 3 ounces twice weekly. Independence revitalizes for active lifestyles. Would you try liver tomorrow? Yes or no? Let's recap these game-changing insights. We exposed the 4 worst meats: hot dogs, bacon, deli ham, and grain-fed beef. These processed and poor quality options fuel inflammation, cancer risks, and heart issues that rob seniors of vitality. On the flip side, the 4 must-eats: grass-fed beef, wild-caught salmon, organic chicken, and liver provide essential proteins, omegas, and vitamins to rebuild muscles, sharpen minds, and protect hearts. Reframe this as an investment in your independence. Choosing these foods isn't about restriction, it's about empowering your body to age gracefully so you can enjoy grandkids, travel, or hobbies without limits. Start small, eliminate 1 worst meat this week and add 1 must-eat. Shop for grass-fed at local markets, bake salmon simply, and track how you feel. Consult your doctor if on meds, but these are natural boosts. Combine them for synergy, like grass-fed beef with liver for ultimate nutrient absorption, or salmon with chicken for balanced omegas and protein. It's never too late to make these changes. Your body is resilient, and with the right fuels, you can thrive well into your 80s and beyond. Which of these foods will you add this week? What sec's your favorite way to eat it? What sec is one topic you should like me to cover next? Subscribe. Without it, you'll miss the next breakthrough. YouTube won't remind you. Like when you like. This spreads to more seniors who need it. Comment. Your answer might help someone else watching.